Okay, do a huge jump. Yeah, like before.
A huge.
How was that? That was a big one. Oh my God. That was a big one. Oh my God. Do a bigger one. I want to see a bigger one.
No, don't go really far. Stay close.
Okay.
Here we go. I just go in the water right now.
Okay, last one. Last one.
And then another one, and another one. Here we go.
Where are you going?
Outside. Okay?
Okay. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, we're rolling. We're rolling. Okay, let's see you do it. Whoa, very impressive. You got it. You got it, Cal. That was very narrow. You do it again? Okay.
Any way you want.
Any way you want. That was a big jump. Yeah, you fell in the water, but you're okay. Okay. Climb out again.
What?
Come on, big jump this time. Big jump in the water. Big jump all the way in the water. Gentle, gentle, relax, balance. All the way out over the water. Okay, last one.
For us.
Last one.
For us.
No, climb up, climb up. How was that?
It was better.
Okay, you do it one more time?
I'm going to go up the stairs.
Okay. Jump.
I think I see that.
I think I see that too.